And welcome back to another video. You're watching PhoneZone.ca with me, Darshna. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy J5 out here. Yes, we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy J5. And when we talk about Samsung Galaxy series out है, जब हम बात करते हैं Galaxy series की, तो कह सकते हैं कि J series काफी ज्यादा अच्छी रही है. अब तक काफी ज्यादा उसमें changes देखने को मिले हैं, and most importantly, it has a very different functionality in each and every gadget out here. As well as when we talk about J5 out here or J series out here, we can say there are a lot of gadgets in the J series which has a different kind of a look, different kind of functionality. It was released back then in 2015, and if we consider the year out here, then it was one of the good variants out back then. As well as when we talk about J series out here, J5 out here, we can say that it was a heavy weighted version. Yes, this was heavy weighted version, despite of the fact that it was designed with plastic framework, plastic body and glass front. It was heavy weighted version. It weighs approximately 145 grams, so this was a slight heavy weighted as compared to the J series. J series से compare करें तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, this was a different variant out here. With Super Almond Capital touch screen along with 16mm colorization. So colorization could be considered as one of a good version out here. Having a constant screen size of 5 inches in the J series is a plus point out here. Yes, J series की screen size की बात करें तो 5 inch की screen है. As well as the resolution remain constant out here. It is 294 ppi density. So these three features after one revolution has been constant, and that gives a very good functionality. Talking about the functionality of this variant, talking about this variant out here, we can say that this variant works well with Android 5 upgradable up to Android 6. So we can say upgradability is very much needed in every variant, and this can be seen out in J5 also. Android 5, it has a base of Android 5, but when it comes to upgradability, it can be upgraded up to Android 6, which works well with the collaboration of Snapdragon 410. So we can say internal processing system works very well, as well as octa-core and the quad-core system works excellent with Snapdragon 410 out here. Despite of the fact that it can be expanded, the internal storage capacity is not worth it. It can be much better as compared to J series. It offers you 8 GB and 16 GB variants, as well as it offers you 1.5 GB RAM. So we can say overall the storage capacity could have been improved out, but it is not being improved much. It is offering you expandability, so which is a good version out here. So this can be considered as a plus point. Offering you a good capturing capacity, we can say that this variant offers you 13 megapixel rear camera. Yes, the rear camera is 13 megapixel and the selfie camera lies out to be 5 megapixel. So overall, this variant offers you a good variation like 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera out here. So these are really good versions. As well as offering you good connectivity, Bluetooth out there, GPS, FM, NFS, 3.5 jack, loudspeaker, accelerometer, proximeter, ANC plus out there. So every connectivity could be seen. So this could be said as a good variant. But when we compare this J5 to other J series, we can say there are a lot of things which need to be upgraded and few need to be remain constant. Yes, there are few things which remain to be constant, and there are very few things. Whereas another thing which is best about this part, or we can say constant about J series, not in the early J series, but yes, after a few we have seen this, that was the battery life. It offers you 2600 mAh battery life, which gives you around 18 hours talk time with 3G variant. So this could be considered as an okay variant, because 2600 mAh battery has earlier launched about 22 hours talk time and now 18 hours. So we can say there is slight drawback that the talk time has reduced out, but offering you a good talk time is also must, and it is offering you 18 hours talk time. That is really amazing thing. Now, since it is offering you a good talk time, so it need to have a good pricing also. So one side offers you an amazing pricing. Let's get ahead to that website also. So this is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name out here. As well as this site offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, and this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Since this search icon needs to be written with J5, so I have written J5 out here, and let us see the results. The result says that it has a description box with all the specifications mentioned out here, so we can see all the specifications. If it's about anything, you can check it out. All the specifications have been mentioned out here. As well as there is a condition written on the top that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from brand new and whether it's good to invest in a refurbished product or not. Talking about refurbished products or talking about brand new products, or we can say the refurbished word itself, it means brand new, like yes, creating something newly, like again we can say that. और रिफर्बिश की बात करें या फिर बात कहें हम ब्रांड न्यू और रिफर्बिश में क्या सिमिलैरिटीज है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटीज, देयर नॉट जस्ट द स्ट्रक्चरलिटी और फंक्शनलिटी, मतलब सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं, डिस्प्ले उसका डिजाइन वो ही नहीं, उसके लिए फंक्शंस भी सेम होते हैं. as well as the passage is quite similar. yes, passage की बात करें ब्रांड न्यू के, तो पैसेज में ये होता है कि मेन जो ब्रांड न्यू का होता है उसमें सबसे पहले आती कंपनी. yes, the company is the base out here, and then it goes to the marketplace which turns out to be the mediator, and then it goes to the users. मतलब कंपनी से मार्केटप्लेस और फिर यूजर पर आती है. वहीं पर अगर हम रिफर्बिश की बात करें तो ये यूजर जो होता है हमारा, दिस यूजर टर्न्स आउट टू बी द बेस. अब वो बेस बन जाता है हमारा. यस, दैट टर्न्स आउट टू बी द बेस. फिर वो जाता है मार्केट प्लेस में, क्योंकि प्री ओन फोन्स हैं, दे नीड टू बी वेरीफाइड, दे नीड टू बी चेक्ड आउट देयर, देन इट गिव्स सर्टिफिकेशन, और उसके बाद ही दोबारा किसी यूजर के पास जाता है. यस, नाउ द न्यू यूजर यूजेस दिस फोन. तो कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ ब्रांड न्यू. इस ब्रांड न्यू का एक्सटेंशन ही है कि पहले कंपनी, फिर मार्केट प्लेस, फिर यूजर पर आया. तो दिस हैज बीन एब्सोल्युटली अ न्यू लॉन्च. अब इस न्यू लॉन्च को जब यूजर प्री यूज कर लेता है, प्री ओन हो जाता है, देन इट इज अगेन यूज्ड एज अ बेस, क्योंकि अब उसे मार्केट में दोबारा लेकर आते हैं सो दैट इट कैन बी रीयूज्ड बाय अनदर यूजर. Then it is given to the marketplace, and then it is used again by another user. So this is what whole cycle of refurbished and brand new is. Talking about the marketplace and the certifications out here, yes, we can say that इनमें होते हैं 29 parameters. It mostly involves 29 parameters out here. And talking about these 29 parameters, we can say that overall these are either external or internal. Externals की बात करें, if we talk about external parameters, they include the display, the touch screen, the battery life, camera, audio, video qualities, connectivities could be considered as an internal function. The scratches out there, button intactness out there, मतलब these external, जो हम डिजाइन को देखकर बताते हैं या हम देख सकते हैं, हम अपनी आईज से इजीली उसको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. Whereas internal are the ones which need to be checked out very thoroughly. They need to be checked out through various systems out there, their processings out there. So these are the ones, like the operating system, processor out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, sensitivity is out there, or we can say any other functionality like colorization, it's data wiping or data data recovery out there. Like overall जो internal parameters आ जाते हैं, they all are considered as parameters for testing. These are the same parameters which are involved for brand new. मतलब brand new में जो use होते हैं वो ही use किए जाते हैं refurbished के लिए भी. So these are absolutely the same things out there. Now talking about these products, now talking about this parameter, they are given a quality check, they are certified, they are now launched in the market sites. Yes, now they are again launched on the website, they can be reused out there with a condition that is refurbished condition. Yes, this is the condition given out, refurbished. Now talking about the benefits of having a refurbished product, because there are benefits of having refurbished. So number one is the pocketable rates. Number one is the pocketable rates. When we talk about pocketable rates, it means that brand new products are quite expensive out there as compared to refurbished. Yes, refurbished के comparison में brand new जो होते हैं थोड़े से expensive होते हैं. Now since they are in pocketable rates, they offer you something very exciting, which is none other than the savings. Yes, you get to have savings out there. You get to have savings. You can save up to 15 or 10 or 17, like depending upon the usage, gadget or the year, जो भी product है उस पे, but basically you get to save a good amount. Yes, you get to save a good amount. When we have a refurbished product, we usually get 6 months warranty, whereas for pre-owned phones, we usually don't get a warranty if we don't have a condition written on it. A condition नहीं लिखी होती है तो उनकी warranty period नहीं होती है, but if a condition is mentioned out on a site that it is refurbished, you usually get 6 months warranty period. As well as talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great functionalities. मतलब इनमें बहुत सारे अच्छे functions होते हैं जो आपको brand new में भी देखने को मिलते हैं, जो आपको structure में होते हैं वो भी same मिलते हैं. As well as you also get to have 1 year warranty for brand new products. Yes, brand new में एक year की warranty होती है, 1 year warranty is with brand new. Talking about this entire process, is there anything else involved in it? Yes, one additional benefit is there, that is 7-day exchange policy. If the product is not up to the mark or has not been checked out, so you can have an exchange policy. Yes, you get to have an exchange policy too. So this is an important factor involved in refurbished products. So these are the benefits which you can have. Now let us go back to the site where we were talking about the products. So let us see how is it. So we were talking about this site. The site name was phonezone.ae. At the top it's written. And this site offers you 6 months warranty period, 7 exchange policy. You also get to have COD and free shipping. Now talking about COD and free shipping, we can say that this site offers you 48 hours delivery time in most parts of UAE, as well as 1 week time for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take a week time, but most of the parts of UAE it has 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website. Yes, for best pricing, do visit out the website, because not just one gadget or one brand, but n number of brands are listed out here. Yes, you can see n number of brands have been listed out here. So you can definitely check out the brands. Website ka link description mein, or you can go on Google and type phonezone.ae. Yes, you can type this. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.